Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Lily, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to download and install PNC Bank mobile banking app on your iPhone. So first of all, launch your app store. In the search bar, search for PNC Bank. Now hit the search button in the bottom right corner of the screen. So you can see the second option, that is PNC Mobile Banking. Tap on the Get button next to it. Double-click your power button to install the app. And hence your download has been completed. Now tap on the Open button to launch the app. So now you can sign in and start using your PNC Bank mobile banking app. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.